weeks ago. Skylines covered by chemical plants, put bread on the table of a working man. A working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and a wife. Giving a little of his soul every day, making overtime to keep the wolves away. I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French-owned tanker ship, spilling poison into Galveston Bay. With a liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes, and the silenced any moans or cries. Cold in the grid and the damn sinking pain, but he fought like hell to keep the wolves away. Well, the next few years, Dad was sick as a dog, but he made recovery. Was finally on. Settlement came and we moved out of town, with the skies and heavy with refinery clouds. He's still alive, he's doing good, he's in his 50s, but the money's run out. He's pinched for pennies, broken roads with every song I play. Now it's my time to keep the wolves away.